Guys, and today we're going to be showing you how to Premium Maps how to download maps. Alright, let's see. What map should I get? This one seems good. Yeah, it should be a good map. It says Dropbox, but we're going to open this up in iFile because I'm not sure how to use Dropbox yet. So download, open in iFile. What we're going to want to do is, this is a zip file, so we're going to have to use a zip viewer, so that's unarchiver if you're jailbroken. Okay, now it's gonna pop up. What's the name of the map again? I forgot. Oh, just see it. This is so embarrassing. The name's legit. Let's go. Here you go. Gonna wanna go here and make sure that all of these are under mobile instead of root. So we can do that. A lot of people do that nowadays. I don't know why, but yeah, they do. Mobile. If it doesn't say that, if it's on mobile, then you're good to copy it and paste it. It probably means that the person who made the map was on Minecraft, like me. Yeah. Alright, now edit. Gonna just click that once. Copy link. Applications. You're gonna search for Minecraft. Documents, games, Content Michelle, Minecraft World, edit. Down here, and then click paste. And that's pretty much it. And now we're going to Minecraft and we're gonna play the map. Click on it.